Hello guys, my name is Harshak and I welcome you to my channel Harshak the Maker. Today in this video we are going to do 3 science experiments in which we are going to have a lots of fun. So let's begin our video now.
Experiment number 1.
A slice of lemon, a stick, piece of paper and a candle. To begin this experiment, we are going to take the piece of paper, the lemon and the stick. Now we will take this stick and dip into the lemon and write a single letter on it. So I have written a letter in it. Now we are going to take this candle and burn this candle. I will show you after burning. Candle is now burning. Take this paper and keep it upon it slightly. So the letter which we have written is highlighted here. You may see I have written H. It's looking bright in it. So our first experiment is over.
Experiment number 2.
So now for our second experiment, we are going to take a bottle, some baking soda, a vinegar, a balloon. First, we are going to take the bottle and the vinegar. Open the vinegar. Now fill it in the bottle a little amount. This much is enough. I will pour little some more. So it's enough. Now safely close this vinegar. Side this bottle. I am keeping a paper down. Now take the balloon, the vinegar, the baking soda, sorry. Open it and take some baking soda and fill the baking soda in it. I will fill and then show you. So I have filled this balloon with some baking soda. Now take this bottle and fix the balloon in it. So I have fixed it. Now do it up. See, the baking soda is in it. It's filled. The carbon dioxide is forming. Shake it so that more carbon dioxide can form. So I have poured some baking soda, so it blew so little. If I add more, it will react more. I will try. If it react, then okay, then we'll let it be. So I removed it. We will see by adding some. So it reacts. So I am not able to add the balloon at this time. So I will fix it and leave it. So this way the second experiment works.
Experiment number 3.
For our third experiment, we are going to take 2 slices of lemon, a cup full of water and some baking soda. In this experiment, we are going to take the cup full of water and the 2 lemon. Now take this machine or the tool, keep it and squeeze the lemon into the water. I will squeeze it and then show you. So guys, I have squeezed all the lemon in it. I will take a spoon and stir it so so that the lemon juice. So next we will take the baking soda and add it to it. We will see what will happen. Really, I also don't know that what will happen in this experiment, whether it will be a success or a flop. We will see it now. So wow, you see the squeeze sound that is coming. It's full of bubbles. I will add some more. Let me see. I'll add all. You may see. So the bubbles are created. This may really be carbon dioxide, because when a lime and baking soda reacts, the carbon dioxide gas is released. You may see. See, if we again stir it, again it's making that sound. Some amount of it's left, baking soda. I had never tried it, but it was a success. So our third experiment ends here. So guys, I hope that you like this video. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment to my channel. Thank you and bye.